Oh, I don't believe this. Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday. Welcome to Not So Sunny Weymouth. I just started the video, it's 11:45. I showed the video of the little corner bit that I tried, and I went and switched the video off instead of on pause. But that's what I got. Sorry. I normally pause and record, but I stupidly pressed off instead of pause. So there's a little bit of difference, not too much. I just wanted it to go whiter, that's all, instead of that dark yellow. And if I could have made a bit of improvement on this, I could have made a bit of improvement on that before I put it on my roof. But it looks like it's not to be. We'll see what that's like when it dries out a bit. But one good thing, I have got the bolts for the hinges underneath there, which I'm going to do now. Now, I glued them on because I thought that it would be easier if they're glued on. It would be easier to put the bolts on. But two of the hinges have come off. That one and that one. That one's still on, so I think I'll start with that one. Sorry, I'm squishing you around a bit. I need to get in there at this time because I'm moving, you know, things like these out, and I want to put them in the cold frame, but because it's difficult to lift that lid on and off with all the stones on and everything weighing it down, once I get the hinges on properly, I don't need to put the stones on, so I can get in and out of there easy enough. God, that was a mouthful, wasn't it? Right, let me get set up. Okay, the first one they say is always hardest, and boy was it. It's really difficult trying to hold things when you haven't got four hands. So I've been able to screw the other two holes in, but first of all, I want to get this one in. So once I've got this one in, then I'll probably show you, because there might be a few curse words. God, do you know what? I think I've got patience of a saint these days. Right, I've got this one in. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uh-oh. Right. Close that up. 2 washers. 2 bolts. I hate doing difficult things on camera, because off camera you can get it done and swear. Right, these aren't coming out too long. So what I'm going to have to do is, first of all, screw them in so that the bolt will come off. You see what I mean? And once the bolts come up a bit, you can unscrew it again. Hope that the bolt don't go down again. Got one, which it has. I can't get the washer on there. Might be able to. Have a go. No, go get me pliers and give it a wiggle. Right, it's a good job I didn't film because that has just taken me ages. I've had to walk away from it. Haven't done the middle one, but I've done this side. And I can now lift it up. I will do that another day because that has really got to me. Now I need to get something to put from there to there to hold it up. So let's try and work that out. Okay, I've got this piece of wood. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on there like that with a hinge, and on that side I'm going to have a flappy bit so that it'll rest there, and then when I want to use it, I need more hands. I'll show you. Okay, one hinge, one flappy bit. I'm going to fix that on there like that and fix the hinge on. And breathe. This has been so testing, this bit, honestly. Right, I'm going to see if I can do this one-handed. Lift the lid up. There's the hinge and the flappy bit. The flappy bit is stopping that piece of wood from going down. Now, I can lift that up and I don't know if you got that, but I hope you did. So I can get in there, do whatever I need to do. I'm going to put you here a minute. There. Now I can show you. You can only just see, there's my finger. You can only just see the top there. There we go. So, my bungee keeps it down, closed, and the flappy bit, the piece of wood with the hinge and the flappy bit on it, keeps it open. Yes, happy days. That has taken me ages. I'm really wound up. Oh dear. Anyway, let's go find something else to do. It's turned a bit windy now and cold. Right, in here, if you remember, I planted some potatoes there, and then I planted Arran Pilot about up to there. So I've got a little gap there, so I've just been and bought 5 more potatoes, which I'm going to put in there, and then that's all planted. Right, that's that bed ready for me corn and me squashes. This has got potatoes in and garlic. That's got all potatoes in. That blue bucket's got potatoes in. This has got onions and shallots. This has got all shallots. That's got leeks, and that box there has got beetroot in. I'm going to put me cabbages, cauliflowers, broccoli in them too. I've got me Jerusalem artichokes in that and that. I've got raspberries in that. That's Boris's digging bed. I've got beetroot in there. I've got all my raspberries in here. I've got to get rid of all that rubbish there and put some more soil in there, and I'd be able to plant in there. I've got me strawberries here, which I'm going to sort out. Strawberries there. My 2 trees are growing there. I've got me rhubarb growing there. My peas are here. I'm going to put, I think, carrots and beetroot in this. Not 100% sure. And I shall be growing my runner beans round at the garden, because I haven't got anywhere left here to plant them. So yes, I'm almost done. Yippee! And now I've got that done. Oh my God, that was... I had to take a break. I had to take a few breaks because it was driving me crackers. But it's done for now. I've just got to get that middle... hinge put in. Which, if I'm very careful with it anyway, because I know it's fragile, nobody else is going to be lifting it, then it should be okay as it is. But yes, now we've got to sort out the beds round at the big garden. Anyway, I'm going to go now. It's 12 minutes. I'm getting a bit chilly. That sun's not coming out. It's trying, but it's just too cloudy. So, from Cloudy and Cold Weymouth and the experiment that didn't work, I might actually put that tiny little video on as a video after this or before it. No, I'll put it on after, if I do put it on. Like I said, I wasn't expecting too much, but I was expecting it to turn white. Well, it's turned whiter than it was before, but never mind, it's all experiments, isn't it? So, yes, from Cloudy Weymouth, excuse me, it's all this talking I'm doing. From Cloudy Weymouth, I'm going to bid you all a goodbye. Bye-bye.